My name is Joseph David Delgado. I am 20 years old and I live in Bogota, Colombia. Uh, I study electronic engineering um, and I really like boxing. I enjoy it so much that I practice it regularly. In my daily routine, I wake up at 7 in the morning. Then I take a shower and have breakfast. After that, and I get ready to go to work. I ready my motorcycle um, to my job. In the afternoon, when I finish working, I visited my mom and spend some time talking with her. And at night, I have dinner with my family.